Okay guys, so this is question number 2 from the homework, and just to explain before, the positive or plus sign stands for different and the circle or zero stands for same. And what I like to do is check horizontally first and then vertically whether the numbers are in the same group. Okay, so we can go through row 1. Oh, first we can cross out this diagonal row of zeros. Okay, now going through row 1 and 1. So far, we're just gonna write it's its own group because we don't have any other information so far. Okay, 2 and 1. It's a plus, letting us know that 2 and 1 are in different groups. So we're gonna go ahead and write 2 as its own group. 3 and 1 are also a plus, which means different. So 3 is gonna be in its own group. And you can see the rest are plus as well, so go ahead and write them all as their own groups. This is gonna change as we go through the rows. Okay, row 2. 2 and 3. It's a circle, which means same, meaning that 2 and 3 are in the same group. So we're gonna go ahead and move the 3 up here and just cross it out right here because we can't have double of the same number. Okay, the next one, 2 and 4. It's also circle, which means same, meaning 4 and 2 are in the same group. Again, we can't have double, so we have to scratch it out from over here. 2 and 5, circle, also means same. Scratch it out over here. 2 and 6, it's a plus, which means that they are in different groups. So we're going to go ahead and leave 6 over there on its own. 3 and 4, same group. We can already see that we've already grouped it together. 3 and 5, also same group. We can see it's already grouped together. 3 and 6, circle, which means same. But remember, 2 and 6 were not in the same group. It's the plus, means different. So that means that 3 is going to come down as a multi-site. So 3 is down here. So it is no longer up here. Scratch it out because it can't be double. And the 6, like we saw right here, is on the same group as 3. So we're going to put it up here. Okay, now let me go ahead and divide this into groups. Okay, wait, 6 is right here, so we have to scratch it out right here. Okay, so we're going to cut down right here because so far that's one group, another, and another. So this is group 1, group 2, group 3. Okay, so where were we? 3 and 6. Oh yeah, so this means that they're in the same group, but 6 is now, you can see, in a different group than 2, which is the way it's supposed to be because it's a plus. Okay, let's keep going. 4 and 5 is the same. We can already see they're in the same group. Okay, now 4 and 6, it's a plus, meaning different. So we can see here 4 is in group 2 and 6 is in group 3. Plus, different, that matches. 5 and 6 is a plus, meaning they should be in different groups. But we can see here 5 is group 2, 6 is group 3. Okay, and then 6 is like itself with the the 1. We're not going to make any changes. Okay, now we're going to go down vertically to make sure that this is the right order. So 6 and 1 was a plus, meaning different. Yes, they're in different groups. 6 and 2, yes, they're in different groups. 6 and 3, yes, they're in the same group. 6 and 4, different. 6 and 5, different. Okay, now 5 and 1. 5 and 1 are in different groups. 5 and 2, same. Yes, they're in the same group. 5 and 3, same. So 5 and 3. 5 and 5, same. Well, yes. 4 and 1, different. So we got to make sure they're in different. 4 and 2, same. Yes, they're in the same one. Okay, and then right now, once we go through all of them, I'll rewrite it because this looks like a mess. 4 and 3, the same. Did we go? Yeah, 4 and 3. and then 3 and 1 different. Okay, so what we have, I think everything looks like it's in the right place. So 1 is its own group, and then it's 5, 4, 2 with the 3, the multi-site, and 6 right here. So what we have is 3 functional genes, because there's 3 groups, with 1 multi-site on gene 3.